Namaskaram Sadhguru. Thank you for the opportunity of this Q&A.
Hey, take a good picture of him, he's Superman.
This is about realizing being human is super. Sadhguru, I'm a Isha Hatha Yoga teacher trainee. My name is Karthik. This is the 10th year of Hatha Yoga school. Over 1,000 teachers are already functioning in the world, and now 230 of us are going through the training. Can you please talk about Mahayoga Yagna as a grand offering to the world and how we can participate and be a part of that? Thank you.
Everything that we are doing in a way is Mahayoga Yagna, but in a more focused way, we started this in 2017, but last 2 years, nearly 2 years, have been a little bit of a dampening, but at the same time we've reached millions of people across the world even during the COVID. It's just that most of the teaching has shifted online, but Hatha Yoga cannot be really taught online. It will not be fair to the people, and it could also cause… it is not very safe to do that. So, hopefully now it is relaxing and we're just starting our Hatha Yoga programs with 50% strength in most cities. Hopefully, by the end of the year, it should be reasonably normal, maybe with a RT-PCR test or something like that, or a vaccination card or something. Whatever is the standard in the world, we can use that, and Hatha Yoga will become super important if our center in the Harvard Medical School is also working towards this, to manifest how these practices can enhance your immunity. There are already many studies, but most are sociological studies. We are doing very blood marker kind of study. So when these things are established, ultimately, if year on year this kind of virus or something is coming, then there will be a massive demand for yoga, okay? So when there is a massive demand, I want Hatha Yoga teachers to think through this. It's your choice, because we asked you to come for a training, teacher training, you come. What kind of a teacher you should be, I'm not going to tell you. But if you're really interested in Mahayoga Yagna, you must not see it as a profession, you must see it as an offering. Well, people will take care of you. Yes, am I well taken care of? Yes, people will take care of you if you make it an offering. Well, in initial phases, all kinds of things will be there. You don't know what all we've been through in this 40 years of thing, you know, all kinds of things, what level of comfort from the way I have lived as a child and the way I have lived since I started teaching yoga is like a deep fall into poverty. Yes, it is. Because your family brought you up in a certain level of comfort, but then you choose to do something like this, it is a lot. But because we did everything joyfully, we never thought it's suffering, we looked at it like an adventure that we are doing. And it never mattered whether you eat, you sleep, where you sleep, how you eat, what you eat, didn't matter at all. Never once did me and few people around me ever think, oh, why is the food like this, why are we not getting this, why are we in just two T-shirts for last 2 years? Yes, we've lived all that. Because the offering was so big and people took time to see it. Once they saw it, see, they were taking care of us very well. So they will take care of you. So if you want Mahayoga Yagna, not just a yoga studio, but you want Mahayoga Yagna, there is a certain process, and you don't have to go through everything that I went through, because today there is a massive organization behind you, worldwide, just about anywhere. We have people supporting us, so we can organize that. But it all depends how much Isha Foundation will get involved in your activity will simply depend upon how much of an offering are you or how much of a professional are you. I'm not against professional teachers because Hatha Yoga is okay that way, but Isha Foundation will not get very involved with that. But if it's an offering, Isha Foundation will get totally involved with that. And do not underestimate the power of the people who support us. There are millions of them all over the place.
Guru!